Okay, well, do you really think being at the beach, safe from a storm, may happen?
Yes, I really do think.
Okay.
Alright, let's go in the ocean.
Okay. And
Fun.
it looks like you're underwater right now.
I'm drowning.
I will help you. Come on. Cool. I'll help you. I'm helping you.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government in conjunction with the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. At 5:34 p.m., a nuclear attack is ongoing.
Oh.
Japan has sent 100 nuclear missiles to the United States. Get inside a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear radiation and gas. At this time, seek shelter in a fallout shelter in place immediately. The President of the United States will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station or cable system has interrupted normal programming by the request of the White House. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. We are WUSA, and we will continue to serve the Washington, D.C. area. If you're not in the Washington, D.C. area, tune now into the station providing news and information for your local area. You're listening to the emergency alert system serving the Washington, D.C. area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Hurricane! The hurricane!
It's coming.
Oh my gosh. The disaster. Oh my gosh, the hurricane. Oh my. It's getting hurt. It's getting worse. Oh no. The tornado. Oh no, 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 no.
We're in the ocean.
No, we're actually. The world has started to flood.
Oh, we're cooked. Yeah, we're cooked.
Yep. And it looks like